Hello and welcome to Retro Cars Reborn. I'm Lee and this is vlogs from the garage. Not done one in a while. As I've not uploaded a video for a week now, I'll show you what I've been up to. Last video I covered making these bad boys and I've still yet to finish building the other one. I'm also waiting to get paid from work so that I can do the brake upgrade, and I might as well show you that while the shocks are off. But in the meantime, I've been talking about doing a paint video for the Laser because I painted the rear quarter and most of the sills now, but I've not done a video on it because, I mean, that is pretty nice piece of paint, but that's the original. You see that there? See, this is what I painted. It's murky, it's horrible. And I'm in the process of buffing through it. But you see this ginormous piece here where the paint joins the old paint. You're supposed to be able to buff through that, but it's super gritty, and unless I can buff past it and it comes out any good, there's no point in doing a video on how to paint cars because I clearly can't do it. So this is where I am at the moment. I've also got the 2.8 on its side. Finally got round to removing the sunroof. That was a pain, and I'm in the process of removing all this black paint that was all sprayed in the engine bay so I can get back to its original colour and can spray it in primer so the engine bay can be sprayed, because it's pretty much done. There's just all this repair work here that needs doing, and this down the front before I can put the front on it. So yeah, this is where I am again at the minute. Literally trying to sort one out so I can actually drive it again, and trying to sort this out because I've been doing it for a hell of a long time now, and you know, you just seem to be getting nowhere. Well, I don't know, maybe that painting video might actually be worth doing. Like, the only noticeable bit really is there, look. You can just see that line that follows. I don't think that is a bad paint job at all. To say I painted all that with spray cans. I don't know what the finish is like down the bottom, but yeah, I was all done with just Halford's spray tins. And you can clearly tell how good that bit of paint is there compared to there. You can just see how dull it makes my face look. Yeah, just there, look. But again, I don't think that's bad at all. For spray cans, yeah, it's the worst bit there, look. But I think if I was to cut that a bit more, you'd lose all that completely. Get a better compound to cut with. So apart from trying to do a paint correction on the Capri, which does look pretty good right now, I've also just been removing more under seal and dirt from the 2.8, assessing more rust as I go along and looking at how I'm going to remove it. So I've been pretty busy. So yeah, more videos coming soon. Hopefully I'll be ready to do the brake upgrade, show you the front of that. And on the shock absorbers on the bench, makes it nice and easy for you to see how to sort the calipers and the discs and the pads out. So with that, I shall see you in the next video. Like and subscribe, leave us a comment, and I shall see you in the next one.